It's amazing how you
Magandang gabi! I'm Maria Cristia de la Torre, 26 years old, from the Philippines.
Ako ay Rizko Pradana, 27 years old, galing Indonesia.
And we're from
Hospital ng Maynila.
heart.
Nagpa-practice na talaga kami ng mga kanta. Pero hindi lang kaming dalawa, kundi kasama namin yung mga co-first year residents namin sa Hospital ng Maynila. And we sing sa iba't ibang mga Christmas parties with the residents and consultants, pati na rin sa mga patients namin.
I just want to say something to you. Mahal kita.
We at Just Right Pharmaceuticals is very much honored to be the major sponsor of this event. Good luck to all the contestants.
Wherever I fall, you say it best when you say nothing at all.